The Pixel 11 Pro Fold is here. Let's unbox it together and talk about some of the things that are new compared to the Pixel 10. I'm unboxing the Obsidian one, which has this awesome matte black finish. The other option is olive, which is green, and it looks nice too. Inside of the box, you will find product documentation. Because I'm in Canada, I got a SIM card removal tool because ours support physical SIM. Oh, there's a USB-C cable, and let's get to the good part, actually taking this thing out of the wrapper. Hurry up, hurry up. All right, let's skip ahead. There's an upgrade to the triple rear camera system, and both the front display and the inside display got a boost in brightness for over 3,600 nits, which means it's going to look even better if you're outside on a sunny day. The design of this one is more rugged and durable. There's a new hinge system that is even stronger than the previous one. The outer display is the same 8-inch size, but the inner display is a tiny bit larger at 6.5 inches. Folded, it's 10.1 millimeters thin and feels relatively light to hold. That is my very quick unboxing. Lots to dig into, so I'd like to know what your questions are about the Pixel 11 Pro Fold so I can keep it in mind as I work on my full review.